Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's business English phrase is let's circle back. You may hear this expression in meetings and workplace discussions. Let's learn what it means. Let's circle back means let's discuss this later. People often use this phrase when they want to return to a topic at a more suitable time. Here's an example. Let's circle back to this idea after lunch. This means the team will discuss the idea again later. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the phrase, let's circle back? Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.